Good morning, children. How are you all? How was the Diwali and its celebrations? Yes. By the way, did you all complete last week's homework? Yes. If you have any doubt in that, you can clarify it in the online sessions. And today we are going to see the grammar part in Two Troubles lesson number 7. Okay. So the grammar part in this lesson is adverb. Adverbs of manner, that too. Adverb. What is an adverb? First, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word which says about the verb, that is action word. Verb is nothing but action word, like running, jumping, walking, playing, eating, writing, reading, sleeping. These are all verbs, that is action words. Action words are nothing but verb. When you say something about the verb, that is only is adverb. So running fast, that fast is adverb. Running is the action word or verb. When you say about the running, that when you say about that verb, it is known as adverb. Fast, running fast. Running is a verb and fast is the adverb. Running fast is adverb. So here it is given, can you see? Pushkin wondered if he could make this tooth fall quickly. Fall. Falling is the action word or verb. Fall is a verb and quickly is the adverb. How the saying about the falling, how it is falling, how he is expecting it to fall quickly, fast. So that is only is adverb. Here, if we had two football, we would beat them easily. Beat is the beat easily. Beat is the verb and easily is the adverb. How we will beat? We will beat very easily. That is what is beat easily. Said, Jatin said angrily. Jatin said angrily. Said is the action word or verb, which is a verb, which is the verb is done angrily. That is known as adverb. So here they are saying the word which shows us how an action is performed are called adverbs of manner. They describe a verb. So how they describe how the verb is done, how the work is done. Fall quickly, beat easily. How is beating easily? How they will beat easily? How he said angrily. So these three are action words. These quickly, sorry, not action words. These are describing words, and they are nothing but adverbs. Say something about the verbs. So they are known as adverb, and especially these are adverbs of manner, the mannerism, in which manner it is being done. That is angrily, easily, quickly, gracefully, cheerfully, happily. The mannerism, the manner how it is being done. That is only is discussed here for you, adverb of manner. Okay, so here you have in book we have only one. This one type is one category is being discussed. That is adverbs of manner. Whereas in your Grafalco grammar book you have three types discussed. One is adverbs of manner. Then second is adverb of place, and third is adverb of time. All the three I have discussed. We'll check it later. Now we'll go into adverb of manner. Manner is nothing but how it is being done. Like that it is given. See, like here in the bracket it is given already. We will have to write with ly only. Speedily, nervously, carelessly, worriedly, fearfully. Yes, the roller. So here in page number 94 in your book, it is given. You will have to write it here. The roller coaster is moving speedily. The roller coaster is moving speedily. Sitting in the front row, Ira is looking ahead nervously. Ira is looking ahead nervously. Jay is sitting carelessly. One of his legs is outside the seat. One of his legs is outside the seat. So Jay is sitting carelessly. In the back row, Sid is looking down worriedly. Lisa is screaming fearfully. She is afraid she might never touch the car again. So the roller coaster is moving speedily. Sitting in front of the row, Ira is looking at her nervously. Jay is sitting carelessly. In the back row, Sid is looking down worriedly. Lisa is screaming fearfully. So ly together with this word gives the adverb moving, how it is moving speedily, how she is looking. Ira is looking nervously, sitting carelessly, looking down worriedly, screaming fearfully. This moving, looking, sitting, looking down, screaming, all this are action words or verb. And the speedily, nervously, carelessly, worriedly, fearfully. These five are adverbs which say something about the verb or describes the verb, how the verb action is being done, how this moving is being done, like that describes. And now next is in your Grafalco grammar book, as I said, you have three types. One is adverb of manner, another one is adverb of place, and finally adverb of time. These three is being discussed. So as you all know, the first pattern you all know, adverb of manner, just now I told you. Here they say is about the manner. So it is in page number 60. It is already done, and I have discussed in the online session also. If you have any doubt, you can just clarify it with me anytime. The sun shines brightly in the sky. So adverb is here brightly, correct. Now the boy shouted loudly. Tell me which word is describing here? Loudly. Shouted loudly. Shouted is the action word. She sings beautifully, beautifully. Can you play tennis well? Well. Please cross the road carefully. This carefully. So this says about the verb. Okay. Crossing carefully. The crossing is the action word and carefully is the adverb. Stop, shouted the policeman angrily. Shouted angrily. Shouted is the action word, verb, and angrily is the adverb. The children played happily. Played is the action word, that is verb, and happily is the describing verb. Describing word, that is adverb. Megan works very hard at school. Works is the verb and hard is the action verb, adverb. Okay, say something about the action word. Walk quickly. Quickly is the adverb which says about the verb walk. She answered correctly. Answered. Answered is the action word and correctly is the adverb. Okay, so now this is all the manners. Manners of the verb. How the verb is described. That is what is adverb of manner. Like loudly, beautifully, slowly, fast, carefully, angrily, happily, cheerfully, gracefully, quickly, correctly. All this belongs to manners. Now, let's go to adverb of place. Here, adverb of place answers the question where it happens. In the park, in the hospital, at Chennai, or in the bank, inside the house, outside, playground, school. Like this, if it says about the place, it is adverb of place. Okay. So now it tells us where the action is done. Where the boy stood there. There. It shows the place somewhere there. That is only there. There is the adverb. So in this sentence, it is raining. We can't play outside a well. We can't play outside. This is only the correct answer. Well is manner. So this is adverb of place they are asking us. So well will not come. Stand up in the corner. Which one is correct? Stand in the corner is right. Up will not come. Stand in the corner. Then can you wait today outside? Which one is correct? Can you wait today or outside? Outside only place. Today is the adverb of time. Okay. Then hooray. Anna's here. Good at last. Here is the place and good is manner. Which one will select for place? Here. Okay. So here and good is manner. So that will not come for place. She built a sand castle there. Tomorrow. There is for place, tomorrow is for time. So tomorrow will not come, where there will come, that is the place. Okay. Here the place, when it describes about the place, you get adverb of place. Outside, in the corner, here, there, that and all belongs to place. So this is adverb of place. And next is adverb of time. So here the time is when. When does it happen? Or when it happened. Soon. Afterwards. Here. Okay. The yesterday. Today. Like that and all belongs to when. Answers for when. When it answers for when, you get the adverb of time. So in the first sentence, eventually the rain stopped falling heavily. So eventually will come. So I'm saying that. Finally, the difficult climb was over. Finally, when? Finally, at last. At last in the time schedule. At last. That is finally. The party ended late. Ended late. The time late. That is what answer. We were tired and went to bed afterwards. Afterwards, that is also says about the time. Come with us today for the party. Today. Henry hurt his knee yesterday. Yes. Now they are asking for the manners. Adverb. Okay. What kind of adverb is it? Are you going to cricket practice tomorrow? Tomorrow comes. So it is adverb of time. Yes. Today is my birthday. Today. Time. Adverb of time. Yes. The girls dance gracefully. Gracefully means manners. So, adverb of manners. The manner they danced is gracefully. Then the old man waited outside the house. Outside. Place. So, adverb of place. Like that you'll have to find. You have one more exercise to do for like this. So you can do it in your grammar book. I'll give you the homework to be done. Do it carefully. Just practice this in your book, in your Grafalco grammar book. And if you have any doubt, you can clarify it with me during the online session. That's all for today. Grammar part over. Yes, please practice the grammar part. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. Do the worksheets given to you. Thank you.